Welcome to Clever Kids Academy!
Yay!
Hey, let's learn the way to be our best every day. Brush, wash, share and play. Good habits make a happy day. I wake up with a great big smile, make my bed in just a while. Stretch my arms and say hooray, I'm ready for a brand new day. Good habits, hip hooray, hip hooray. We practice them, we practice every day, every day. Brush your teeth and comb your hair, say thank you and always care. Good habits, come and play, come and play. Wash my hands before I eat, keep my shoes nice and neat. Use kind words and always share, I show my friends I truly care. When I'm angry, I count to 3, take a breath just like a tree. If I fall, I try again, I never quit, I always win. Good habits, make us strong, make us strong. We learn and grow, we learn it all day long, all day long. Help your friends and clean your space, put your toys back in their place. Good habits, keep us strong, keep us strong. Eat your veggies, drink your juice, jump around, shake off the blues. Say I'm sorry when you're wrong, being kind makes friendship strong. Good habits, we know the way to make the most of every day. Learn, be kind, and always try, reach for stars up in the sky. Good habits, here to stay, here to stay, here to stay. Let's be our best every day. In all we do, in all we say.
Please subscribe to support this channel.